EnCase Endpoint Security provides a complete methodology for detecting and responding to threats to the endpoints in your network. The first step is to prepare for detection by enabling filters that will include items you want to see and exclude those you don't want to see. A set of standard filters is included with the product, and you can also create your own custom filters. Filters can be used for different purposes, such as scanning your enterprise for anomalies, finding items that match a registry value, or retrieving data from specific target groups. Be aware that special permissions are required in order to be able to create and edit filters. We begin from the EnCase Endpoint Security dashboard. To access the filters, click the side navigation button and click Filters. The Filter Management page displays the filter name and an optional description of each filter. Custom filters are indicated with a check mark. Filters are grouped by type. Let's collapse each section to see the different types. In this video, we'll be creating an anomaly detection filter that looks for a process with PowerShell in the name. We start creating our filter by clicking the Add button and select Create Anomaly Detection Filter. We enter the filter name Potential Threat 01, then a description. Filters are made up of at least one rule, but may contain many rules, as well as groups of rules, which are connected using and or conditions. To create this rule, we first click inside the Select Field area, then select Process, then Name. Be aware that the available menu items changes depending on the type of filter you are creating. We select an operator of contains, which means the string of letters can appear anywhere within the name, and enter a value, PowerShell. Then click Create. Our custom filter, Potential Threat 01, is now available for use in anomaly detection scans. Let's now edit this filter so that it finds processes with a command line parameter value of hidden. We click the Options menu button and select Edit. Currently, any rule we add is joined to the statement using an AND operator, meaning that both conditions must be true in an item if it is to be caught by the filter. If we wanted to make an OR condition, which would allow either condition to be true, we could click this switch, and the operator changes to OR. Let's now switch back to AND. We click Add Rule. In the new line that opens, we click within the Select Field area, select Process, then Command Line. We select Contains and enter Hidden. We add additional text to the description and click Update. The Potential Threat 01 filter will now find processes with PowerShell in the name and hidden in the command line. And that's how you create and edit an anomaly detection filter with EnCase Endpoint Security. In our next video, we'll show how to incorporate our filter within an enterprise scan.